Hello?
Hi, Allie. How are you?
Good.
That's good. Are you alive from CIAA?
I'm trying to be alive.
Okay, I know you said call on Monday so I can place my order.
Okay. So what are you ordering for?
Ordering for vitamin water, fire and ice, Fanta. Yeah, I said vitamin water, Fanta, smart water, those new flavors that they talking about. And I believe that's it for right now.
Send me over the number of cases. Text me.
Okay.
Cases. What size?
Is it?
Yeah, like.
Is this?
Like it's cherry. I don't know if y'all have some cherry. Is that a 20 ounce or what?
No, I thought we were getting the cans for Fanta.
And then what day are you picking this up?
I could pick it up as soon as possible. So as soon as you could get it in, the sooner the better.
I could try to get it to you by Thursday.
Okay, yeah, that's perfect. Thursday is perfect because that's our last home game anyway. So
okay.
I was trying to do something Thursday anyway.
Okay, that'll be good. So I'm gonna try to do pick up on Thursday. What time can you pick up? Can you do early morning?
Thank you, Allie.
You are set to come tomorrow. I mean, not tomorrow, next week, right?
Yep, I'll be in Norfolk. Yeah, the True Hotel thing, I couldn't do that because the furthest one is like, the closest one is like 2-3 hours away. And I'm like, Yes, child. Got my product. Thank you, Jesus. I didn't even realize MEAC was next week. MEAC is next week. I need an oil change. The only reason why I'm tripping is because, first of all, I just got a ticket in freaking Virginia, right? I got a ticket for $165, y'all. So, gotta pay for that. I have an $80 ticket in freaking Maryland, but I'm probably gonna contest that. I need to read the ticket to figure out how to go to court, because I never contested a ticket. I just be paying them joints, because I don't be having time to go to court. I don't got time. But, whoo, child. So yeah, I gotta go to Norfolk again. This time I'll do the speed limit drive through Virginia. But anyway, about to go to Starbucks real quick, just get some coffee. And then I have a meeting with Janae. I just got out of a meeting with the, Director of Alumni Affairs, Mr. Jimmy. He works a lot with the senior class too. So just secured some stuff for senior week. And for this brunch that we're having, because this brunch I already know, it's about to stress me out. I don't like saying that. I don't like saying that something's about to stress me out. Because you know what? I'm blessed to have things going on in my life that can make me feel like that. So, I'm going to accept them blessings.
Only thing that I'm seeking is more enlightenment, money and fast cars, enticements. I fight. He asked what I stand for, couldn't answer the question. He schooled me, then we started discussing. Saddest part of a lie, how many people trust it. Even when they know the truth, homie, how you coming? Yeah, he told me the world is yours.
Hey, Marcus.
You know we out here drinking.
Look, Mr. UMES. Hold up, pause, because this son. Hi, Mr. UMES.
It's your fancy shirt.
How you doing? Jersey,
Look,
you know.
Oh my gosh, look, Mr. University of Maryland Eastern Shore. You better come through with this shirt. Okay. Well, who you waiting on? You waiting on Janae too? She not in here? No. No.
No, I think she's looking at all this.
Hey guys. Look guys. So we're at Tropical Smoothie. It's this new spot. Hold up. We're at Tropical Smoothie. We were trying this new spot because everybody been talking about it, and I had it for the first time yesterday, and I was like, oh yeah, this joint is lit. And they take call cards, so it's lit. But yeah, so we're doing like a lunch date.
Yes, lunch date or whatever.
And then MASIELS over there. I got a Caribbean jerk wrap, y'all. But then we're gonna go see Michelle at work too. So it's about to be so much fun. What did I get? I got a peaches and soup. But yeah, this is like a little like smoothie spot, and they have like the natural fresh drinks. They have like everything with yogurt and all that. This joint is popping. And then from 7 to 9, they got half all smoothies. It's about to be a mint. Say hi to Marcel.
Hey vlog. Hey vlog.
Okay, yo, let's look at.
Get off my face.
Let's look at our grown woman. Hello.
Hey.
Look, she be like, I have my internship.
Y'all are matching. That's cute.
That's why we asked you what color you were wearing, because we all wearing red. Look, you mad cool. Okay, are we gonna walk in?
I might hit the club, but I'm live on the trip. I ain't popping no pill, but you do as you wish. I roll with some things.
You know the vibe. It's Sharon emails and you're not like with my bro, DJ JK. Stop being scholars for a quick minute.
I'm crying. Just with her red on. Like a blood.
She said she a blood today.
She a blood today. She wearing red.
She said
y'all know the vibes.
She said giving Cardi B vibes, the Barty gang. Yeah. You know, Cardi B blood. That's why she be like Barty. Like, ooh, what do I want today? I think I want funnel cake fries.
I don't know. I'm hungry though. I want like food.
Why are you saying everything so?
To emphasize. It adds emphasis. That's what I said.
No, but for real. No. Okay, so we're playing this game where like
Everybody should download it and use my code.
You old time. Hold on. It's hold on.
Is it anniversary?
No, it's hold on. That's in vogue. Yo, where has this game been all my life, yo? Okay, so we're in the library. We're playing this game. What is it called?
Out of tune.
And
we're probably gonna put it in the video.
Yeah, we gonna
see your code in the video.
Look.
And
okay.
Please use my code.
I'm gonna use your. We gonna put her code. We gonna use her code. Cause we're gonna get some coins. So if you guess all the songs right,
you win money.
You get money. Y'all know I'm broke, so let's get it. Let's play the next one.
This next song is the last one where you can still use
So we're gonna wait for
don't forget, use what you got. Okay, we ready? Let's get it.
Hold up. He wasn't man enough.
He wasn't? Yeah.
Be like this?
Wait. Oh, I wanna be down. I wanna be down with what you're going through.
I wanna be dead.
Can't you see?
Oh, baby. It's the same fucking round. I'm dead. I'm doing like
Nothing left to say.
Let's get it.
That is him. That really is him.
Oh, don't walk away. I'm exposing you again. Getting exposed again. First of all, no. First of all, he's talking about some weed. Oh, hold on. Weed. I'm gonna put the soldier book. He said he a hog. Boy, you are a seagull. First of all,
no, we're not doing that no more.
do hawks speak?
I try to expose me.
No.
We should make something called hot candy.
You said cacao.
Alright, y'all, welcome to Hot Cam. We here at Salisbury University invading their turf.
He said we like he's a hawk. You are a seagull.
We're hawkish. Coke over Pepsi?
Coca-Cola. Period. Coke gang.
How you feel about this?
Feel about what? You being a hawk?
How you feel about being hawkish?
I don't watch it.
How you feel about being hawkish?
I love being a hawk. You know, I was represented by HBCU.
What has being a hawk done for you?
Yikes. Networking, you know, meeting new people, getting along with new people.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
So I met my friend.
So Michelle,
That's cool. What? All right.
what has being a hawk done for you?
Huh?
What has being hawkish done for you?
I don't know, but I'm a hawk for life. Catch me there for 6 years, but not because I'm a super senior, because I'll be a grad student.
Ooh, tell him. Look, she just had to throw that in there.
No, somebody's gonna tell me, oh, you've been an undergrad for 6 years now.
So the famous Sharon B. Mills. Coke or Pepsi?
Coke.
What has being a hawk done for you?
What has being a hawk done for me?
Yes.
Being a hawk has put me in a position to win.
Why are you interviewing us like you're fucking...
I know, right?
I'm so sorry.
He's interviewing me. But look who it is. It's my sister. Hi, babies. We got we got Tolu, we got Lanaja, and we got Sid. Hey, y'all. Is that like a vlog? Yeah, this is my vlog. Oh, there's some good lighting right here. Oh, yes, because look, I swear I buy more stuff at these base sales. You want to be on my vlog?
Oh, I know shorty drag.
Alright, what's up, Baltimore? Y'all, honestly, it's so dark on campus right now. So I'm on my way to my WOD meeting. And I have a meeting with my other boss at 8. And then I gotta go to this intramural game with my girl Michelle. You know the game, you know, double M, double S. Okay, but yeah, intramural game, and then I gotta meet with my group, but I also gotta do a conference call at 10 o'clock. So I don't know how I'm about to do this, but you know, regular degular. I'm gonna make it work. Honestly, this week has been like really boring. I'm not really doing much. Okay, so Coca-Cola, they do deliveries to my school on they do it on Tuesdays and Fridays. But the thing is, like, usually the reason why I usually pick it, because I know people like probably always wonder why I always pick up my product. I usually always pick up because I usually have an event that like I need the product for, and it doesn't fall on a day or like in between a day that, you know, that they deliver the product themselves. So why did you come? But yeah, what's up? Girl. Okay, so where are we saying? Okay. Oh, anyway. Alright, so we got the little intramural and whatever. Say what's up, shorty. But you gonna see my girlfriend? But yeah. First of all, I thought J-Cast was supposed to be DJing. Hey guys. So everybody say hey. Hey. And tag, hold up. Wait, cause it's not focusing. But I'm gonna tag all these social media pages. So we just like that about me with Janae, who's our social media coordinator, and we about to get started on the yard stuff. So stay tuned, subscribe to the UMES channel. Where did I park my car? Oh, okay. Oh crap, I should have walked out that side. Jesus Christ. Oh, this lighting is good out here today. Ooh, I want to take some pictures. But yeah. Ooh, campaign season about to start, y'all, so it's about to get spicy on campus. Ooh, I can't wait. It's the last home game. At the game. Hey, my S. Want to be S1. S1, S2. M1. And M1. M2. Where's M2?
She's not here yet, but she's coming.
On the way. Full game. You know the vibes. But anyway, our girls winning. As always.
Look at my
As always.
my beautiful girls.
And let's say hi to hey, double M's. M1 and M2. S2, S2. I said S2. I know, that's for people. S1, S2. S1, S2. This is what we talking about. This is why we say we the same person. But anyway, we got the game. Shout out all the purrs.
I was looking like
Shout out all the purrs.
Listen, I don't even know why I'm at this game.
Come on,
shot. That shit wetty like on Shakespeare's
And I got my lip busted yesterday at the party. All I was trying to do was just get lip mode, and they busted my lip. For what? Who's sexy?
This is. Thank you. You want to just? Oh wait, hold up. Cash at me because I could pay for it on my Hawk card. Just cash at me your hand.
All right, bet.
All right. But look who it is. It's my You know the vibes. Blue. Favorite iota.
Turtles up.
You know.
6 Club. Turtles up. 6 Club. Spring 18. Missing Links. Spring 18. Missing Links.
Quad Spring 17. You know the vibes.